Hey there, foodies! Looking to make delicious, crispy meals without the hassle? Today, we're diving into the best air fryer for two people. We've tested the top models to bring you the perfect pick that's compact, efficient, and ideal for couples. Stay tuned to find out which air fryer makes the cut and why it's a must-have in your kitchen. Don't miss out, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All of the products we mention in this video have timestamps and links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. COSORI Air Fryer. The COSORI Lite 4.0 quart smart air fryer is a highly compact appliance, which means it has limited cooking space. If you need an air fryer for preparing meals for a large family, this may not be the best option for you. However, it has an attractive appearance, operates quietly, and is simple to use and maintain, making it a good budget-friendly choice for individuals or couples. Firstly, the intelligent device is capable of being controlled through voice commands using Alexa. Additionally, you have the option to utilize the complimentary V-Sync app to manage various settings. It also features 5 pre-programmed food settings for chicken, fries, bacon, steak, and vegetables for easy preparation of your favorite dishes. Furthermore, a built-in reminder will notify you when it's time to shake the contents. Moreover, the air fryer is equipped with a special technology that automatically adjusts the heat, ensuring even cooking of your food. A non-stick crisper plate makes cleaning effortless, and both the basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe. This selection includes automatic shut-off and overheat protection for your safety. Lastly, this air fryer comes with a 150 recipe book. The basket features a non-stick interior and a detachable tray, allowing oil to drip down to the base of the basket. Both components are suitable for cleaning in the dishwasher. The touch controls located at the top of the device are straightforward. They include options for adjusting temperature, setting the timer, selecting from 5 preset cooking modes: chicken, fries, bacon, steak, and veggies, a power button, a start/pause button, as well as buttons for preheating, setting a shake reminder, and activating the keep warm function. Number 4. Ultrean Air Fryer. The Ultrean 4.2 quart air fryer boasts a sleek and modern design that fits well in any kitchen. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or limited counter space, while still offering enough capacity to cook meals for two people. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy plastic exterior and an easy-to-clean non-stick basket. The Ultrean provides an excellent option for those seeking an affordable air fryer that delivers exceptional performance. With a 4.2 quart mid-size capacity and a wide range of cooking options, it offers great versatility. The Ultrean's basket and rack are dishwasher safe, although we found that larger messes may require some manual scrubbing. Overall, we found the manual scrubbing process to be straightforward, although the fry basket seemed to retain grease slightly more stubbornly compared to other models. The Ultrean surpasses expectations for its class with its outstanding price-to-performance ratio, making it a fantastic budget-friendly option. However, the beep sound it emits can be quite bothersome, although this can be remedied with online hacks. Other models on the market offer more user-friendly features and produce juicier, crispier chicken. If you have some flexibility in your budget, the Ninja Foodi digital oven is worth exploring. It comes at a slightly higher price point, offers a comparable capacity, and outperforms in terms of cooking results and ease of use. The Ultrean 4.2 quart air fryer is an excellent choice for couples or small households. It combines efficiency, ease of use, and affordability in a compact package. Whether you're making quick snacks or full meals, this air fryer delivers consistent results with minimal effort. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective way to enjoy healthier fried foods, the Ultrean 4.2 quart air fryer is a top contender. Number 3. Dreo Air Fryer. The air fryer's temperature can be adjusted from 100 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the most extensive range available. This allows for precise control to achieve perfectly crispy dishes. The frying basket's dual-layer coating prevents food from sticking and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. For beginners, the digital touchscreen offers 8 preset options for simplified cooking, including settings for French fries, steak, chicken, vegetables, as well as dehydrate and reheat functions. Additionally, a recipe book is included for added convenience. In every small air fryer cooking trial, the Dreo consistently ranked as one of the top performers. When using the Dreo, you can anticipate that your food will be cooked according to most recipes without the risk of overcooking or needing extra time. It excels at achieving the Maillard reaction for crispy outcomes. The Dreo only required an additional minute compared to the standard time to cook fries, and the outcome was evenly cooked and tasted similar to what you would find at a fast food establishment. The wings were flawlessly cooked within the designated time frame, and the basket had no trouble accommodating a full pound of food. The Dreo AirCrisp Pro's drawer and crisping tray can be safely washed in the dishwasher. However, the non-stick coating makes debris come off easily when hand washing. It is advisable to wash these items by hand whenever possible, as dishwashers may cause wear and tear on the non-stick coating of cookware. In my evaluation, the Dreo AirCrisp Pro stands out as the top choice among compact air fryers available for purchase. It excels in rapid and flavorful food preparation, optimizes space usage effectively, and offers convenient operation and maintenance. While there are some minor downsides, I wholeheartedly endorse acquiring this air fryer for those seeking to bake small meals and snacks using convection in limited spaces. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for quick and healthy cooking. For a household of 2, it's a convenient tool that fits seamlessly into a compact kitchen space while providing a variety of cooking options. The Vortex Plus is a great option for families due to its spacious 6-quart capacity. We were impressed by how it produced perfectly crispy and delicious results, despite its larger size. It is a fantastic choice for hosting gatherings or family meals. The Instant Vortex Plus received minimal complaints from us. Although it may not be the most budget-friendly air fryer, its overall performance makes it a worthwhile investment. If you are willing to spend a little extra, the Vortex Plus is the perfect solution for satisfying your fried food cravings without excessive use of cooking oil. With exceptional cooking performance, a user-friendly interface, and a removable fry tray for easy cleaning, the Instant Vortex Plus offers an outstanding air frying experience. Moreover, its generous 6-quart capacity allows for preparing larger meals and batch cooking. The only downside is its slightly higher price compared to other air fryers. The air fryer is perfectly sized for 2 people, making it an excellent choice for couples or small households. It doesn't take up too much counter space. This model offers multiple cooking functions such as air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and reheating. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. The digital touchscreen is intuitive, with preset options that simplify the cooking process. It's easy to select the right cooking method and temperature. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer. The Ninja 4-quart air fryer is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance designed to cater to the needs of small households. With its 4-quart capacity, it's an excellent choice for couples or individuals looking to prepare healthy and delicious meals with minimal oil. The Ninja 4-quart air fryer excels in performance, delivering crispy and evenly cooked food every time. It uses rapid air circulation technology to cook food quickly and with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Whether you're making French fries, chicken wings, or roasted vegetables, the results are consistently impressive. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for preparing meals for 2 people, offering enough space to cook multiple servings without overcrowding. The Ninja excels in performance, but cleaning the fryer basket can be a challenge due to residue buildup in hard-to-reach areas. Despite this drawback, the Turbo Blaze offers superior user-friendliness with an easier-to-clean basket. It is important to note, however, that it may not perform as well in cooking compared to the Ninja. The Ninja Air Fryer provides reliable cooking performance and a user-friendly interface, positioning it as a top contender for individuals prioritizing convenience and consistency. Throughout our assessment, it consistently achieved a delightful crispiness in food and showcased one of the most user-friendly interfaces compared to other models. Moreover, it upholds nearly flawless temperature precision, guaranteeing uniform outcomes every time it is used. Our sole minor concern pertains to the cleaning process, as the grooves and holes on the crisping plate can pose a slight challenge.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.